In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use transcription in Google Meet. If you've found yourself in a situation where you need to ensure everyone in your Google Meet session can clearly understand what's being discussed, utilizing the transcription feature could be a game changer. This process will only take about 5 minutes of your time, and once you're set up, it can greatly enhance your meeting experience, especially for those in need of captions. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Meet website. Open your web browser and type in meet.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in, so look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. Ensure you're using the Google account linked to your meetings. If you have multiple accounts, select the appropriate one from the list and enter your credentials to sign in. Now that you're signed in, it's time to head over to your meeting. If you have a specific meeting link, you can simply enter that into the address bar, or navigate through the Google Meet interface to join your scheduled session. You'll want to ensure you're properly connected and inside the meeting for the transcription feature to be activated. Once you're in your meeting, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a series of icons, one of which is 3 vertical dots, typically found on the right-hand side. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is key as it houses the settings we need to adjust. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings, where you'll find an option titled Captions. This is the area we'll be focusing on to enable transcription. Click on Captions to reveal another set of options. Here, you'll find a toggle for Live Captions. Turning this on will allow Google Meet to automatically generate captions for the ongoing conversation in the meeting. With live captions enabled, Google Meet will now display text at the bottom of the screen as participants speak, making it easier to follow along with the dialogue. This feature can be incredibly useful for those hard of hearing or for those joining from environments where audio clarity might be compromised. Remember, enabling captions is a simple process, but it's essential to ensure that all participants are aware of this feature and understand how to enable it on their individual devices if it's not turned on by default. By taking a few minutes to go through these steps, you can drastically improve communication in your meetings, making them more inclusive and effective for everyone involved. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to enhance your Google Meet experience with live transcription. Happy meeting!